The lower half of the breast, also known as the mammary glands or mamma, consists of several structures involved in lactation. These structures these structures are responsible for producing, storing, and delivering milk to the nipple for breastfeeding. Lobes. The breast is composed of multiple lobes, each containing smaller lobe, lobules. These lobes are distributed throughout the breast. Lobes contain clusters of milk producing cells called alveoli. These alveoli are surrounded by specialized contractile cells called myopital cells, which help with milk ejection during breastfeeding. Milk ducts, areola, and nipple. The areola is the darkened area surrounding the nipple. It contains numerous sebaceous glands called Montgomery glands, which secrete lubricating substances. However, it is essential to remember that dissection should only be performed